Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing first look of a new Rough Rider that I got. This is a older Rough Rider as far as the series goes, but has a new color, and the model number is RR2257 and it is the Upswept bow trapper. So probably somewhere around a year ago, when I finally got my hands on one of these, I told you that there is also a variant with a red G10, and I wanted really to add one to my collection, but was not able to get it at a decent price, just because I don't want to pay all those extra import fees and shipping costs to order one from United States. So long behold, when one of my resellers did stock up on some of these, I jumped on them and bought one. So this video will be probably the same as my previous one with the black paper micarta, but I would like to give it a time and share the beautiful color of the scales with you, and also compare it with maybe some newer knives and with the previous one. So the model number is RR2257. We have an overall length of 17.5 centimeters or 6.9 inches. The blade length is 7.2 centimeters or 2.8 inches. The blade width is 1.8 centimeters or 0.55 inches. The thickness is 2.8 millimeters or 0.11 inches. The handle is 9.7 centimeters or 3.8 inches long, with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. What makes this upswept bow trapper so beautiful, in my opinion, is of course the blade shape. So the blade shape, we have a really pronounced upswept trailing point. It is also sometimes called as Arabic blade shape, Jimbacha, if I'm not mistaken, and most of them are used on some of those exotic liner logs that you can nowadays see come out mostly from China and so on. So on the construction, we have stainless steel bolsters, we have nickel silver shield and pins, brass tube, brass liners. We have black G10 liners under the red G10 inlays. We have a bomb shield configuration. The blade shape is really pointy and nice and upswept. Opening method is the nailing opening right there. We have the full Rough Rider logo stamped, model number, and made in China. The blade steel is 440A satin finish, and the weight comes at 75.8 grams or 2.6 ounces. The half stop is at 90 degrees, and we have really nice walk and talk. So opening the pull is maybe around, I would say around 6. So definitely not problematic whatsoever. We have smooth finishing, and as far as I have experiences with the triple R line, which is the reserve or the premium line from Rough Rider, which I will be featuring a few models also here on my channel, so stay tuned for that. I don't know, but if this one was in, let's say, D2 and some other type of micarta, maybe not the paper micarta, but some kind of linen or canvas micarta. This would be probably one model from that line. So I don't know why they did not put it there. So this is fairly reasonable price, of course, given that this is a sort of a value proposition, a value budget oriented knife. These go for around $12.99, depending on where I'm buying it from. Certainly, I recommend check out the full catalog on Smoky Mountain Knife Works. They are the distributor and the owner of the brand, so there you will see what other options are available at the current time when you're watching this video. Okay, so let's see the sharpness out of the box. So definitely I feel toothiness or jagged in some parts. It is sharp, as you can see. Some parts are not that sharp, so definitely this one could use a nice stropping. And one more observation, as you see on the start, the knife was packaged in the VCI paper, so maybe at some point they were a plan of making this in different the blade steel, because most models that come packaged with that paper are of course with non-stainless steel blades. So most of the triple R's come in, and also the T10 carbon series line, which is also available in the budget-friendly price bracket, come in the package in that paper. Okay, so now let's see the comparisons with the black one. So this is a nice contrast they done, because the original, the black paper micarta scales had nice red liners, and the red one has black liners and brass liners underneath. So they are completely identical, of course. We have only a different color of the scales, and this is paper micarta and this is G10. Okay, for size comparisons, let me bring out one triple R model I have here on the table. This is the model 009, which is a swayback pattern, and this is what I'm talking about, the higher quality. So you have D2, nice uniform satin finish, stainless steel bolsters. Beautiful example of how I like my micarta. So brown canvas, natural canvas style. This is polished, of course. This is also highly polished, but this is how most of the traditional knives are made, just to preserve the color and the quality of the handle material. Okay, so here is a case Saltbuster Junior. This is the work knife. Once again, this is one of the models which, in my opinion, should be in the triple R variant, because both of them are not part of any series. Ryder does this thing that they have a series of knives in which they have the same materials, same handle materials, same blade materials, but encompass let's say 10 or 15 or even 20 different models. These stand out because they are not part of any line, and they stand besides these, so they are only single models. Maybe now see different color of the scale materials, but so I don't know what's going on, why they are not included. And this is my on my part a speculation that these could be or should be at some point a part of the triple R series. Okay, let's continue. Here is the tribal log from case, Stockman from Rough Rider. Here's a peanut from Rough Rider. Texas toothpick. A small trapper from the Denim Micarta series. I have here also one of the largest knife that they have in the catalog, which is a folding hunter. Which is a beast of a knife. I have another triple R reserve model. This is the one arm razor, and the model number is, sorry about that, let me see it, RR01BM. So this was the second iteration of the first triple R design or triple R model that they produced. The original one, the first was with Denim Micarta, something like this, maybe a little bit lighter if I'm not mistaken. So this is a cotton sampler from the newest faded denim jean series. Okay, so let's see something more modern. So here is a small grip Tillian, Delica, Spyderco, Red Model 2, CVV Elementum, .940 from Benchmade, Kaiser Pinch, and let's close it down with the K-Bar Dojo Folding Hunter. Okay, so definitely I must say really unique blade shape. So for everybody who does collect traditional slip joints, this is, in my opinion, in my book, one of the must-have unique style of knives you have to own. Given that this is a budget-oriented item, it will not break the bank, and you will be probably more than happy to own one or two in your collection. Okay, with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my hobbies. So I thank you for your time and wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.